Hi, my name is Holly Denchman. I'm an attorney at Coppins Monroe Law Firm in Tallahassee, Florida, and the topic for today is what your company should do if you receive a charge of employment discrimination. First piece of advice I have for you is don't panic. Just because you've received a charge of discrimination, it's not a foregone conclusion that your company is liable or that you violated the law. It simply means that someone has made a complaint about your company and you are going to have to deal with an investigation. But don't worry, you will have a chance to defend yourself and your company. When you receive a charge of discrimination, it will be something that you haven't seen before, and you may not know what to do with it. But it's very important that you not ignore the charge of discrimination. What you need to do is you need to review it carefully, and you need to take note of any deadlines. One of the things that your company will probably be asked to do upon receipt of a charge of discrimination is make a formal response. This is called a position statement, and a position statement is essentially a document that you file that includes your response to the complaint against you. Another thing that's very important for you to do if your company receives a charge of discrimination, and a point that is often taken for granted by company owners, is to notify your insurance company immediately. If a current employee brings a complaint against you, action taken against that employee that's perceived as retaliation is prohibited by law. So if you take action to retaliate against an employee who is complaining, that can create an entire different and extra claim that the employee may have. So you have to handle it in a manner where you treat the employee as business as usual. As part of a charge of discrimination, your company may be given an opportunity to participate in a mediation. Mediation is essentially a voluntary process where the complainant and the employer come together and, with the help of a neutral third party, explore in a confidential setting whether they're going to be able to resolve the claim without having to resort to litigation. For more information on how your company can respond to a charge of discrimination, visit us at coppinsmonroe.com.